Hi guys, today we will see how does the weather affects us. Weather consciously or unconsciously affects the daily choices you make. It helps to determine whether you dress to stay warm or cool, enjoy outside activities or stay inside, or evacuate to a safe place during extreme weather conditions. It can have both immediate and delayed effects on health, food production, and general well being. Don't confuse climate and weather as the same phenomena because they are not. Climate represents averaged weather conditions over several years, while weather is something that can change every single day in every single location around the world. Strokes, heat attacks increase during winter. Blood vessels naturally constrict during colder weather, which leads to a higher blood pressure in the body in the winter. As a naturally occurring survival mechanism in all mammals, blood vessels constrict to maintain body temperature and control heat in the winter. Blood pressure rises because there is less room for the blood to move through the circulatory system. A study from the University of Florida found that fatal heart attacks and stroke peak during the winter months. Seasonal affective disorders occurs frequently among people who live under constant cloud cover or reduced sunlight in the winter. In people diagnosed with this disorder, which is also called as SAD, depression usually sets in at the onset of fall and dissipate when the earth cycles back to spring at their location. Although SAD can affect most anyone, more women seem to experience this type of depression than do men. Symptoms include irritability, concentration issues, changes in sleeping and eating habits, lethargy, and loss of interest in one's enjoyable activities. The cure sunlight, vitamin D, are hours spent beneath light therapy lamps. Blood vessels naturally constrict during colder weather, which leads to a higher blood pressure in body in the winter. It also affects the food people eat. Weather and climate plays a big role in the fruits and vegetables people eat. With limited growing season in some parts of the country, certain foods and vegetables are simply not growable and must be shipped from other states or countries. Weather patterns also impact the ocean more than people realize and can affect fish population like fishermen who harvest them and the people who consume them. Flood or drought conditions as well as severe cold snaps and freezes can wipe out entire crops. Seasonal affective disorder occurs frequently among people who live under constant cloud cover or reduced sunlight in the winter as discussed earlier. Next is the weather patterns and the jet streams. Most scientists and meteorologists posit that increased carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases leaching into the atmosphere result in global warming and climate change, which many people often mistake as a simple increase in temperatures. Scientists have linked climate change with extreme weather conditions that includes flood and droughts, lightning strike wildfires, unusual heat waves, and changes in the stream that circle the earth. In the state of Virginia, for example, 4 of the state's biggest snowstorms have occurred in the last 10 years, more than likely due to climate change effect on weather. Thank you for watching this video.